Configuring accurate sales forecasting by Marcelli, step 3. In this step, you can customize scenario names, graph names, and general forecast settings. To start, click on the Marcelli admin tool. Once open, choose the second tab, Pipeline Stage Configuration, and once open, you're going to see your worksheet. The first step is we're going to look at the bottom pipeline begin stage. This is the stage by which, when an opportunity reaches this stage, it will be added to your list of forecastable opportunities. This is the system-generated list whereby salespeople can then choose from that list of opportunities that they would like to add to the forecast. Next, we're going to come down to Allow Forecast Adjustments. In this box, if it is checked, it's going to enable the manual forecast functionality inside of the application. Allow Forecast Uncommits. If you check this box, salespeople can remove opportunities that they previously added to your forecast. To configure your scenarios, you simply type the names you would like in these boxes. The first one is your least risky scenario, the middle one is your medium risk scenario, and the third one, best forecast scenario, is your highest risk forecast scenario. You also have the ability to change the quota label in the quota chart. So if you don't call your quotas quotas, you call them something like budget, you can type in the word budget here, and the same thing for the forecast label. Once you're complete with this side, we're going to move over here where it says forecast monthly, unchecked for quarterly. This is whereby you can choose whether you want to forecast monthly or quarterly. If it is unchecked, it's quarterly. If it's checked, it's monthly. Next, we can choose to show which view we want as default, whether we want the quota view as default or whether we want the forecast view as default. Unchecked is going to be for forecast. If we want to auto forecast, meaning opportunities, once they get to a particular stage, will be automatically added to a forecast, we would choose and click this box. If we have auto forecasting set, you can then also configure your auto forecast scenario. Whether you want to use your lowest risk scenario or any of your three, you would just type in the name here. Default forecast scenario, this is whereby when a sales rep adds an opportunity to the forecast, it'll automatically choose the commit scenario. If you want another scenario, type that word in here. You have the ability to name your gap, meaning if there's a difference between the forecast and what is in Salesforce with regards to what is actually checked off to being in your forecast, and there is a negative gap, you have the ability to name this field. And if there's an upside, meaning there's a positive, you have the ability to type in whatever you would like to have here with regards to this particular label. And this is where you then complete step 3.